This should be really, 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 really boring. If you see the pause symbol, pause. You don't need to pause because you've taken all your notes, and this one shouldn't have too much notes. Just plow on and go with the rest of the presentation and get it done. The objective: the student will be able to read points on a coordinate plane. This will be done through presentation and classroom activity. You guys should know, presentation is what we're doing now. Hooray! And the classroom activity is what we're going to be doing in class. So this is reading points isn't always as easy. Oh, I can graph points so I can read them. Sometimes people get kind of confused. Some people say it's easier. Some people say it's harder. But everyone's knowing. You'll find out in a minute. But what you should know. You should already know a lot of the information. So this is kind of going to be a little bit of review for some people that have been paying attention. But we have a number and a number. You guys all should remember this is an ordered pair. So again, 5, 9 is an ordered pair. So x and y, this is an example of an ordered pair because x would be a number in the ordered pair, y would be a number in the ordered pair. And x is the first number, y is the second number. So x is going to be side to side, horizontal, y is going to be up and down, vertical. So that would be our ordered pair right there. So now more review is we have our quadrants. This is going to become a little bit easier today because you can actually check what we're doing. So we have plus plus in the top right, quadrant 1, minus plus, quadrant 2, minus minus, and minus plus. So reading points, again, some people say it's easier, some people say it's harder. But as I was saying in class the other day, it's like opposite of graphing, kind of. So think about addition is opposite of subtraction. It's just kind of, I want to say reverse order because someone's going to eventually watch this video and say, no, it's not right. I'm just trying to give you a frame of perspective. We're just kind of doing it backwards. So it's not really graphing. It's kind of the opposite of graphing, backwards of graphing. So it's just something to kind of, hey, if you can read it, you can write it. Just trying to put some reference. But these are the points we're going to be using, you guys. There's 6 points on there, all color-coded. So our numbers are going to be, our ordered pairs are going to be color-coded too, just like with our homework. So you have 6 points. The top right is, again, quadrant 1. Quadrant 2 is in the top left. Bottom left is going to be quadrant 3, and bottom right is going to be quadrant 4. So I'm just going to slide this over a little bit so we can put our numbers in there. So our numbers, so we have quadrant 1. We have to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's positive. So our first x is going to be 5. And then in the second, you're going to see 5, and then we go up 5. A reason, no, you're right, because I left that plus plus up there. If you notice, the 5 is positive and the other 5 is positive. So that's a good way to check it. Both are positives. This one, we go back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you notice the negative right over there that I have, it shows your first number should be negative. So we already did part of it, right? Our second number is going to be positive because we went up 4. So again, you guys should kind of know this. It's just backwards. Before you're actually taking the point and putting on the graph, now you're trying to find where the point is. So like this one. Again, we know the first number is going to be negative, so we go back 4, and the first answer is going to be, first number is going to be negative 4. So the next one, we're going to go up 2, so it's going to be positive. So the answer is going to be 2. So negative 4, 2 would be where the blue point is. But again, if we look at the top, we know the first number should be negative and the second number should be positive. So this one, negative 4, 4, we both know it's going to be negative. So we go over 4, down 4. Last one is going to be 5, negative 4 for the orange, and 8, negative 5 for the red. And again, the first number is positive, the second number is negative. So what happens if it's on that axis? Okay, again, side to side, 0. We're not going left or right at all. It's 0. But we do go up 4, so that's why our y is going to be 4. Our x is going to be 0, y is going to be 4. So the same with our green one over here. We go over 8, so negative 8 would be our x, and we don't go up and down at all, so that our y would be 0. So negative 8, 0. So here's your pause symbol. Again, a lot of this, it kind of is review, but it isn't review, so if you need to pause to go back, pause. If you don't, just go on to the questions. There's a few questions going on right now to help you. So here you guys go. Take a few minutes. Do all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to write red, blank, or if you want to write have fun. There's your guys' answers. Again, it shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully you got them right. If not, talk to me in class when we have class next. So sorry the end of the video is kind of scattered. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. All I know is you guys should probably get this. It shouldn't be too hard. Remember, you already know X. The big thing is X is first, Y is second. X is first, Y is second. Just like in the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, all the way down to W, X, Y, Z. So that's what we're going on tomorrow. When we do our activity, we'll be doing some reading and graphing points together. So good luck on this. Hopefully you guys understood it. But again, the student will be able to read points on a coordinate plane. This will be done through a presentation and classroom activity.